What is up, YouTube? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. I got something really interesting here for you guys today. I got a Sony 295 and a silver ticket 125-inch 235 screen. What? Okay, the reason I'm making this video is because the customer brought up to me that whenever he was trying to do research on this particular combo, it wasn't making sense, and there's a reason. If you guys aren't one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. All right, let's get into it. Okay guys, so traditionally speaking, the Sony 295 is a native 4K projector, and it's a very affordable native 4K projector that outputs a beautiful image. There's a downside to it though. It's a 16:9 aspect ratio. You can do 235 like we have here behind us, but there is no lens memory. So what does that mean? Lens memory means that you're able to hit a button. You have different presets basically that allow you to hit one button and it's gonna move the lens, the zoom as well as the focus, and optimize it for the aspect ratio that you're trying to achieve. So in a situation like this, what the customer has to do is manually adjust to make it fit this particular screen. So let me show you what's going on. So I'll also attach a demo to this so that you guys can see what the picture looks like whenever you're playing it in 235, because it does fill the whole screen. But this is the test pattern. And with the test pattern, typically with a 16:9 screen, it's gonna go all the way down to here. So whenever you're watching standard programming, all the way down to here and all the way up to here, filling the entire screen. So like if you're watching a football game or playing games or anything like that, what it's gonna do is fill the whole entire screen. But then whenever you go to watch a movie, like Wonder Woman, the scene that we'll show you guys, you would have black bars there and there, and it would fill the middle of the screen. The customer wanted to maximize his experience, so he went with a 235 screen, and he's just manually adjusting it, which takes a little time, but it does accomplish the goal. So that kind of gives you an overview of what this projector is capable of doing based on this particular screen. Does that answer the question that you were trying to figure out whenever you were searching the internet?
Yeah, it's just kind of, is it possible, and then how long does it kind of take to change? And it's too fast.
So I actually have the customer here in the room with me, and he was really trying to figure out if this is possible. Clearly it is possible. It just takes a little bit of extra effort. So I'm gonna actually put the remote in his hand, and he's gonna show you how you can adjust the picture to switch between 16:9 and 235. I'm gonna turn the test pattern off because he found that it was a little bit easier just to do it freehand. Correct?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so we're gonna go out of there and we're going to turn the test pattern off. That's how you do your alignment whenever you're setting it up. And now I'm gonna put the customers in control of the system. This is the Sony remote, and he's gonna show you how you could switch into a 16:9 aspect ratio. This is 235, so the test pattern that I just showed you is optimized for the screen as is. So we'll go ahead and put something that's 16:9 on and then do our alignment. So the customer is using the Harmony Pro Universal Remote, which is a product that we sell as well. It makes it very easy to just quickly toggle between your sources. So the Roku player that he just switched over to, see how it's bleeding top and bottom? So if he wanted to watch, say, Netflix or Hulu or football game, you don't want your image bleeding onto the wall. You want it on the screen so that it looks, you know, sharp as possible. So he's going into the lens zoom and just manually zooming it down and then shifting it. And then you gotta get your focus.
That's it. That's 16:9.
Yeah, so that's really all it takes. One nice thing about the lens memory functionality though is if you want it to be absolutely perfect every single time, the lens memory will do that as fast as he just did it, but it'll be optimized to where, you know, you don't have to worry about your focus being a little off or like, I don't know if you guys can see, but at the top there, it's just a little bit off. The lens memory functionality will be precise, perfect every single time. But this is something that is possible. So if you're trying to stay within a certain budget, you want native 4K, but you want the 235 aspect, this is a viable option.
I'm going back to just show how you do going back to 235.
Yeah, so this is going to demonstrate how you would go back to 235 if you wanted to watch a movie. So you just switched over to the Blu-ray player. One other thing that I wanted to talk about in this video was the silver ticket screen that he's using. The customer had actually said that he had noticed, a lot of you guys are like, hey Zach, you know, why should I spend the money on a higher end screen whenever I can you know, pick up a silver ticket for $400 or $500. He was admitting that he may upgrade in the future to a better screen, just because even during the assembly, these things are pieced together, and like in the middle where it connects, it you know, was sagging a little bit, but you put the support beams in there and it holds it in place. But the construction of the product definitely reflects the price. But for this solution, it definitely gets the job done.
Okay, so yeah, we're in 16:9 now. And then so it's just you zoom in.
Yep. So we're gonna zoom in and then shift and then focus. Same exact process that you would do if you were going to go from 235 to 16:9, it's just reversed.
So yeah, it takes a little, I mean, it's a little bit of work, but.
But the next step up, guys, is the, in native 4K is gonna be your JVC, and that's $1,000, another $1,000. So, you know, it all depends. You know, it's, if you can deal with it and you're quick at it, like my customer here, this may be a solution for you. But now you got a 235 picture with a 16:9 native 4K projector. And let's go ahead and kill the lights so they can see the picture quality. Boom, well there it is, guys. If you want a Sony 295 and a 235 screen, this is how you do it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you would like to purchase a product, make sure to give us a call, shoot us an email. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. And also help you get set up with a local installer. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.